founder. Bloody nice too.
So we're out and about again. Been about a week and a half since I've gone for a ride, so feels a bit strange getting used to it again. Bike didn't want to start much. Anyway, yeah, get some fuel and we'll go for a wander. Gonna head south down to a pretty cool waterfall. Yeah, so we'll go down this waterfall. I think it's down on the Wilson River, so way up in the freshwater, and then we'll come back down to the salt. I'll have a bit of a fish. What do we got? $1.78.5, which is better than it was, but terrible compared to the couple of years back. Anyway, that's what it is. Alright, thanks. So this will be the first look at the Wilson. So this is the freshwater sections. Always gets me here. So that's sort of northwest. I expect the water to be coming that direction, but it comes from there. But yeah, this is freshwater, and I'll be heading up a fair way and up to the up to the Wilson River Reserve and a waterfall up there, which is a fair way upriver, getting nicer now. So we're just about to run out of dirt, I think, across this little feeder creek. That should be the end of the asphalt. That'll be it. It's got about 35 k's apparently. Okay, where are we at? So we just come off, what are we on, Bottle Brush? That's Hastings Forest Way, which is us. And yeah, we'll head back there. We'll go up here, there's the information centre. And the last time I came through, that was burnt down, so see if it's still there. Getting nice in here now. I've gone up a little bit out in altitude. I reckon 300 meters. I'm going to come up to a place here called the Five Ways, which is just about here. So it's sort of 5 different directions you can head. Whew, we'll have a look at the sign. So that information centre I was going to go to, that was it was burnt down and gone. So let's, okay, so you can go down there and get to Wild Bull Campground, and I think it's Cobra Bold Campground, which has been to before, which is really nice. Go up this road here to the right, and that takes you up to the Fire Tower Lookout, which I'll go up. And if we go straight ahead, we got Wilson River Reserve, 21 k's, which is where I'll end up. We'll go up top of the fire tower lookout, or tower number 1. Pretty good view up here. Phew. So that is a pretty nice view. Nice old tree. Good view from this tree. So yeah, it was fire towers here. You can see by the concrete slabs. That would have been the bases of the tower. It would have been just metal sort of structures, I would think. Keep an eye on the fires. And yeah, definitely a nice view. Got toilets up here since I was here last, which is cool. Alright, let's go for a wander down to, back out of there and down to the waterfall. Well, let's get to the reserve. Finding a waterfall's not guaranteed. It's about a 1.5 kilometre walk from the reserve, so who knows what the track's like. Anyway, we're gonna try. Wilson River Reserve. What we got? Yaris 45 k's, we're at Kimby 15, Cameron's Camp. Anyway, we're going over here and down. I remember it being very pretty, really nice, sort of a rainforest ride in. Last time the road was sort of, I guess it was technically closed. We went around some obstacles and got in there, but should be all systems go today. So getting in there a bit now, find a few obstacles. It's funny, they list this track as 2-wheel drive. You know, just lures people into a bit of a mess down the bottom. First half's good. This second half's, I wouldn't bring a Barina down here. Like, it's probably, as soon as it gets wet, there's it's clay, so you're you're into that for a start. It's alright now for a bit, but yeah, we should be progressively getting into more rainforest stuff. Getting into the nice stuff. Sort of reminds me of Yohapney, which is fairly close to my house. Same sort of endless palms and ferns. Woo! Where are we at? Can't see the road, it's that dark. Yeah. Phew. Well, judging by that, I think the bridge is still the same. I can see wet feet coming up. Beautiful. Alright. So the only way across there is walking across there. Walking across there and up. Alright, let's sort that out. Our bike's chained up as good as she's going to be. Yeah, should be alright. Go for a wander, see how we go. But yeah, should be a bit of fun. Some pretty crazy trees in here. Have a look at this big fig tree. Right, that is a monster. So, right, keep going. Got a bit of a track for a while, and then I'm sure it'll disappear. Second natural obstacle. I'm still on the track. I've still found that. Haven't gone far. But yeah, beautiful little creek, feeder creek. But I've got to get up there. Do some rock jumping. See how we go. Try not to fall over. Okay. Too easy. Now just up. Back on track again. Oh. Alright. We shall continue. There you go, found her. Bloody nice too. Spilling away. So this is a feeder creek to the Wilson. And yeah, it's just running nicely. Bloody beautiful. Alright, well
sit out here for a bit and then I'll, might go grab something to eat somewhere. Got a sandwich, so just a pretty nice spot to chill. So if you're thinking this water looks exceptionally clean, it's been considered the cleanest river system in New South Wales. Or the clearest, or the cleanest water, not so much clear. But yeah, it is gin clear now. I'll just show you how clear it is. Nice and healthy lunch. An orange later. Bit of ham, tomato and cheese. This should be on a Breville though, really. Well, it hasn't got any warmer. Ooh. Oh, or softer on the feet. All right, that was good fun. Now, wiggle my way out of here. And yeah, wiggle my way out. We'll get back to the saltwater reaches. tide's running out slowly. So this is sort of the upper reaches of the salt water. Well, I reckon I've got an eel. Big cranky brown thing that doesn't know when to stop swimming. Okay, that was there you go. Look at that slime on the line. The slime is off an eel. It just... Alright, try again. Okay, round 3. No more eels. No more oversized eels. Yeah, might be enough excitement. That was it, couldn't get one. Pretty sad. One bream, a few bream bites, and yeah, big fat eel. So yeah. Alright, I'm out of here. That's pretty well it. I've done some exploring, wasted some bait, so yeah, alright. Yeah, if you like the video, bloody thumbs up's always good. And subscribe if you haven't, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.